Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man is made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood and skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and you're deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the straw boss said, well, bless my soul, you loaded 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and you deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company.
Ooh, yeah, look on, yeah. Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, walking in the trap like a boss. Ooh, walking in the trap like a boss. Walking in the trap like a boss. Ooh, walking in the trap like a boss. Yeah, I came in with a sauce. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Ooh, walking in the trap red flare. Ooh, fuck a nigga, bitch, don't care. Damn, throwing up racks in the air. Damn, told a bit, Lil Pun, yeah. Ooh, damn, I just broke my wrist. 100 on my wrist, can't tell me shit. Pop 4 Zans and I fuck a nigga, bitch. Never went to school 'cause I was always flipping bricks. Hey, yeah, I came up with a sauce. Damn, yeah, I so crack in the halls. Damn, Lil Pump is on top. Damn, gave my mom 2 Glocks. Damn, everybody do wanna be me. Looking at my neck and it's Fiji. Ooh, damn, everybody do wanna be me. Looking at my neck and it's Fiji. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. Great job, guys. Good job today, both of you. I'm fucking beat, boy. I am tired. All right, guys. Man, that was good. Woo! See, I hope you guys liked that video.